let's use the power of I am and elevate our success.
Know that many of you are so talented, and I learned a lot from our mentor about the power of I am. But I want also for all of us to be well equipped that it's the power of God to make you be wealthy.
Tandaan mo, just connect to Him at siya ang maglilid sa'yo sa tamang direksyon mo. Yes! Hello! Amazing morning! Tandaan mo, focus on growth kasi it will give you a growth of results.
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to guest in House ISO.
Alam mo, sobrang grateful kami dahil, kumbaga, pinagsama-sama tayong lahat dito. Kung tayo ay umaangat sa buhay, huwag natin kalimutan kung saan tayo nagsimula. Huwag natin kalimutan kung sino ang nagbigay ng biyaya sa atin, kung bakit tayo nakarating doon sa ating sitwasyon ngayon. Araw-araw, remain humble.
I feel so blessed to have been given the opportunity to be with I Am Worldwide and to be able to bless so many people through His gift.
That whatever you're going through in your life, whether you're here on site or you're watching us online, wisdom comes from God and it is given when we ask Him in faith.
Kaya kung sino man yung nag-isa na o dalawa lang, tatlo na kayo, 2 years, 3 years from now, nako po, ikaw na ang mag-share dito.
Fasten your seatbelt kasi po marami pong inihanda ang I Am Worldwide sa inyo. Hindi lang po ito awarding. We have sets of speakers. Ang ating pong speaker, of course, the President of I Am Worldwide, President Allen Marvin Yu Eden!
May mga bagay na hindi mo dapat igawin kung gusto nating magkaroon ng long-lasting success.
Mentor Shirley May Sibulan!
So you already made the first step, which is the sapphire. Pero naniniwala ka ba na hindi yan ang iyong endpoint?
Kapag ka ikaw po ay papunta dun sa journey mo ng tagumpay, marami tayong kailangang bitawan eh.
This time, you will be the owner of your business. But, even if may mga pinagdadaanan ka, show up.
I am strong, I am resilient, I go hard, one in a million. I am strong, I am the greatest, I go hard, I wanna make it.
At nagtanim tayo ng mabuti, aanin tayo ng kabutihan ni karoon. So ganun lang kasimple.
In my best life, I'm a boss. I am strong, I am resilient, I go hard, one in a million. I am strong, I am the greatest, I go hard, I wanna make it.
Ang persevere kasi ito yung nagtutuloy kahit nahihirapan.
In my best life, I'm a boss. In the spotlight, doing alright.
This annual event has become a highlight for us as we come together to learn, to grow, and unlock the boundless opportunities of IM Worldwide has to offer.
This year's theme is all about growth and empowerment, which is why events like this are at the heart of our success. Ano ba yung vision? Ito yung your ability to see the invisible and believe that it is possible. Ang tao daw dapat merong vision. Kasi pag walang vision, walang progress.
Naniniwala ba kayo na bibigyan po tayo ng ating Panginoon ng treasure? But the question is, are we focusing on that which is permanent or that which is temporary? I am worldwide! Whoa!
I am worldwide! I am worldwide school of wisdom. Let's go!
Pag in-apply daw natin yung katotohanan, hindi daw tayo mapapahamak sa buhay. Lagi po natin tandaan, lahat nagsisimula sa sarili natin.
Be in health, just as your soul. Responsibility mo ang katawan mo.
Kaya tinawag itong I am School of Wisdom kasi yung wisdom, ito yung application. Naway, pag uwi nyo dito, maging wisdom sa inyo ito.
I am worldwide school of wisdom.
Katulad ninyo, nag-start lang din ako na mangarap. At dahil nangarap po tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng result.
I am
things. Kailangan daw, we need to make sacrifices in the present. Para mangyari yon, kailangan natin ng tamang disiplina.
Madali lang naman kailangan lang po marunong tayong mag-share. Kailangan lang po laging may nakakakita na ginagamit natin yung produkto.
Hindi lang tayo bebenta ng produkto para kumita ng pera. We should always be an ambassador to change lives of the people for the better. That's why I choose I Am Worldwide every day.
A lot of people, they want a road to success like that flat line. Hindi na naintindihan na in order for us to be successful, God needs to mold us.
If you are persistent, you will get it. If you are consistent, you will keep it.
Seven years ago, a vision was born. A vision that would redefine what it means to dream big, to believe in greatness, and to inspire countless lives around the world. From humble beginnings to a global success, I Am Worldwide has become a beacon of hope, of empowerment, of possibility. A company built on integrity, driven by passion, and united by a purpose to create better tomorrows. With every milestone, every challenge overcome, every goal achieved, we've grown stronger together. Our journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. And now, as we celebrate 7 years of excellence, we look to the future with renewed energy, innovation, and unstoppable momentum. I Am Worldwide. 7 years of success. 7 years of changing lives. And this is just the beginning. I Am Worldwide. Believe in greatness. Achieve the impossible.
Hindi siya naging madali. Hindi siya naging overnight. But was it worth it? You bet.
Amazing morning! I Am Worldwide is a faith business. Sa mga bago pang member dito, wala ka pang resulta. Pero dapat, by this time, naniniwala ka na magkakaresulta ka. Kailangan magsipag ka muna, mag-prepare ka muna, bago ibigay ni Lord sa'yo yung mga blessings na para sa'yo.
Nakilala ko po yung I Am Worldwide dahil na-diagnose po ako ng autoimmune chronic disease po na lupus. Sobrang grateful ko po sa ating amazing pure organic barley. After 3 months ko po mag-take ng barley, wala na po yung butas ko sa puso. Normal na po yung size ng heart ko. At the same time, negative na po ako sa lupus.
Just wanna pack up my things and go. Just wanna be free, just wanna zone. Just wanna flow, just wanna hang with the gang. But sometimes chill on my own. Just wanna do me, just wanna doze. Just wanna live and see how it goes. And the goals just keep on going, yeah.
Lahat tayo merong potensyal. Lahat tayo may nilagay sa atin si Lord dito sa puso natin na pwede nating abutin.
So, you know when the calling's calling you, and the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling you, it's calling more.
As of today, we have 25 I Am branches and business centers worldwide.
Hello to Team I Am Worldwide!
You know when the calling's calling. And it keeps on calling. Keeps calling.
what I love about the Choco Barley, most importantly, is the flavor. Really, you can't beat it.
Napakasarap na choco drink po. It's full of vitamins, vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, and may magnesium po, potassium, and zinc.
Having a hectic schedule, I need something that keeps me energized and focused throughout the day. And that's why I really like the Choco Barley, because it's filled with all the minerals, the vitamins that I need to stay sharp and have a clear mind.
Maging masaya sa success ng iba. Maging encouragement tayo sa bawat isa. Napaka-importante ng salita. Pero yung salita dapat mabuti sa kapwa.
And it's calling, and it keeps on calling. So it's calling. You know when the calling's calling, more. Calling's calling. You know when the calling's calling.
This year, we made history, not just in I Am Worldwide, pero sa buong industry ng network marketing.
You know when the calling's calling.
Simulan mo ang I Am Worldwide at baka ito ang pagbabagong inaantay mo. Let's all make history together.
We become what we believe at lahat ay posible sa taong naniniwala.
If you know the process, you can always repeat the result. Kung nangyari po sa amin, definitely mangyayari po sa ating lahat.
Exactly next year, October 2025, sa ating 8th anniversary. Buo na po ito.
Pakideclare sa sarili mo, I am next!
Ji Chang-wook, ang bagong brand ambassador ng I Am Worldwide.
Hindi lang pera ang usapan dito, pati health. Sobrang dami na po natulungan ng kumpanya natin because of health.
Tayo ay agents of hope, health, opportunity, and prosperity for everyone. So lahat ng gusto nating maabot sa buhay, pwedeng maabot sa I Am Worldwide. Pagsamahin natin kalusugan, kayamanan sa I Am.
League of the Champions 2025! Yay! Team MVP! League of the Champions 2025! Woo!
Yung binibigay ko sa inyong mindset ngayon, yes, dumaan ako sa paghihirap. Yes. Pero, look at me now. Everything will make sense. Pero lahat ng mga yon hindi mangyayari kung wala kang gagawin. Are you ready to become a champion? This year, uulan ng mga milyonaryo!
Faith, hard work, dedication. On our planting season, ito lang po yung formula na kailangan natin.
Yung mga tao na everyday humahataw sa negosyo. Yung mga tao na hindi sumuko. Yung mga tao na patuloy na lumalaban para sa mga pangarap nila.
sila yung may champion mindset.
So everybody say you are not what you eat. You are what you absorb. So with barley, it helps you with nutrient absorption. Di ba ang ganda ng barley?
Marami sa atin kasi nangangarap, marami sa atin gusto natin ng resulta, pero kailangan po, unang-una sa lahat, ikaw mismo, gigil ka, maniwala ka.
Bakit ako nag-join sa I Am Worldwide? It's because of my family. Lahat tayo gusto ng magandang buhay para sa pamilya, tama? Ang tanong, gaano mo ka gusto na mabago yung buhay ng pamilya?
Yung tatay ko po, we put him in rehab. Yung lahat po halos ng ginastos sa kanya sa rehab na 700,000 nang galing po sa income natin sa I Am Worldwide.
Hindi madali, pero ang lahat ng to, worth it. Kapag yung pressure ng mentor mo, ay love mo na rin.
Champions, hindi pwede na matapos tong taon na to na hindi dumadami ang millionaires ng team natin. Hindi pwede na yung katabi mo hindi magda-diamond. Kung nagawa nila, kaya mo din. Gusto ko maramdaman ninyo na kung nagawa ko, kaya nyo din.
Mentor Beach! We love you, Barley Man!
I love you, Barley, too.
Kung gusto mong yumaman, dapat marunong ka sumagad. So kung gusto mo dito, maging successful dito, tumodo ka, sumagad ka. Walang preno-preno.
Basta bibigyan mo ng oras, bibigyan mo ng effort. Kung ano yung tinatanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo.
Ito lang po yung pinangahawakan kong verse. Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit kahit anong hirap, hindi ako tumigil. Kasi alam ko, hindi ako nag-iisa.
It's your choice! Lahat yan binigay na sa atin. Kailangan na lang natin gawin. Galingan natin, champions. To God be all the glory. God bless everyone, MVP.
MVP League of the Champions 2025! Woo!
Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, go through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwing parades. Hey, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Checking the game, was never afraid. Just calling my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave.
Amazing morning! Gusto ko munang pasalamatan. Unang-una si Lord, syempre si VP Aika, tsaka si GM Ana. Palapakan natin si Miss Martoni Fernandez, no, ang ating Barley Queen.
Know you are an agent of hope being used mightily by Jesus to spread the news of health and prosperity. Kaya mga ka-mentors, don't forget to take your I Am Organic Barley every single day.
Amazing morning from Nueva Vizcaya.
Power natin ay nanggagaling sa
Right,
Amazing
right.
Choco Barley for the
Right.
night. Ayan!
I was able to hook up with my mentor, Rachel. So she set me up to be a member and explain about the Hope program of I Am Worldwide. At that point, my concern is only how is the barley going to help me to cure my liver cirrhosis and my condition right now. I'm standing here, I could tell you, I'm not going to die in 6 months, but I will live longer because of our amazing pure organic barley.
Yeah. See the potential.
Dating mga pangarap, dating mga nakapost lang, dating nagpapapicture lang, dating tinititigan lang. Pero ngayon, sa atin na po.
Like dripping in gold beep, dripping in gold beep, dripping in gold beep, dripping in gold beep, dripping in gold beep.
If you will perform, if you will release your potential, God will be happy for you. Naniniwala ka hindi dahil sa sarili mong kakayahan, dun sa Diyos na nagbigay ng kakayahan na yun sa'yo.
When we step through, that's gold. Anything we touch, it turns gold. Far too much, don't worry about nothing. Far too much, better let that go. Yeah, when we step through, touch road. Anything we touch, it turns gold. Far too much, the MC life, far too much, better let that go. God, what standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. God, what standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing.
Siguro may mga struggles financially sa buhay mo right now. Baka kumakatok na si I Am Worldwide.
Okay, listen now.
If it wasn't for the struggles, you wouldn't be as strong as you are today. God is always building you up. Tandaan mo yan.
Not effective.
Sobrang surprise mo ito. Thank you so much. Feeling ko nanalo ko sa Miss Universe. Ano ba?
Nah, we didn't do it like the rest did. Nah. God, what standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. God, what standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing.
Ibe-bless ng Diyos lahat ng hahawakan mo at maraming taong mabe-bless through you. Dahil nandiyan ka.
That's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Yeah. See the potential, instant, influential. Maybe controversial, maybe.
Malapit na ang ating 8th anniversary. Merong 8 na tao ang mananalo ng 800,000 pesos. Lahat ng mag-join sa I Am, may raffle ticket. Lahat ng bumili ng produkto, meron din. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy the night. God bless you more. God bless you all.
Strive to be better every day. Be a servant leader. And guys, see you at the top.
Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing, yeah. See the potential, instant, influential.